Hello everyone. Our today's topic is sensitivity, and it is an important topic as many questions are asked in GATE and other competitive exams. So to start with, let us understand what you mean by sensitivity. Now since sensitivity is a general term, let us understand this term in according with control system in a generalized way. So, to understand the sensitivity in a simple words, let us consider a closed loop system. So, this is a simple closed loop system with input signal and output signal. Now, you must be surprised with this block P and K. Now, this P block is nothing but our forward gain block, which we used to write G of S, and this K block is nothing but the feedback element block, which we used to write H of S. Just for sake of simplicity, I will write P and K instead of G of S and H of S. We know both this block, the forward gain block, where we have denoted by P, and the feedback element block, which we have denoted by K, both this block will contribute in getting the output A. So let us consider we want a constant output A. You can say we want a constant output as 10. Let us assume this is just an assumption. So to get a constant output A as 10, we have so designed this control system as the forward gain block, which is P. It is designed to operate at a value, you can say some X value. Similarly, you can say the feedback element is designed to operate at some value Y. Now since we have specified the values of P and K as X and Y, so we are getting the output always as 10. There can be a situation where due to the variations in internal parameter, you can say due to the temperature change, the value of this feedback element block, which is K, its values get changed. So I can say due to the internal effect on the feedback element, the value of K, which was Y, it is now changed to Y dash. Now since the feedback element K is no longer working at the specified value Y, the output value A will be no longer equal to 10. It can change to some another value. You can just consider some other value. You can say the value of A has been changed from 10 to 12 due to the change in the feedback element value. So this means the output A is sensitive to the change in the feedback element K. Since the value of the feedback element K is changed from Y to Y dash, our output is also changed from 10 to 12. So I can simply define sensitivity as percentage change in A with respect to percentage change in K. So sensitivity in a simple definition can be defined as it is a relative variation in one parameter with respect to other parameter. So here the relative variation is in output A with respect to change in the other parameter. Here the other parameter is the feedback element K. Here the output A can also be changed due to variation in the forward gain block P. That time the formula will be percentage change in A with respect to percentage change in P. But for time being, let us consider only the change due to the feedback element K. So the notation of sensitivity is shown by S A by K. It means sensitivity of A with respect to K. And mathematically, we can write since sensitivity is change in A, So change in A I can write mathematically dou A by A. With respect to change in K, I can write as dou K by K. So this is the basic formula of sensitivity. One important note is it is preferred that sensitivity function should be as low as possible. Now, when we discuss the sensitivity of an open loop transfer function and closed loop transfer function, we will get to know why the sensitivity should be as low as possible. So with this basic understanding of sensitivity and the basic formula of sensitivity, now we will discuss the sensitivity of a closed loop transfer function and the sensitivity of open loop transfer function. Also, we will discuss many examples which have been asked in GATE examination and other competitive examination so that you have a good understanding about this topic. So let us discuss both of this in the next lecture.